I'm sure you guys have seen videos like these at least once in YouTube Shorts or TikTok. As you guys can see, they are getting millions of views. This niche is not competitive because a lot of people don't know how to make these videos, and a lot of them think that these chat stories are real, but in reality, all of these are made-up stories. I have came up with an idea to make this fake conversation videos using an AI tool which is completely free. So in this video, I will show you step-by-step process to create one of the following. So watch this video till the end without skipping any of the step. Welcome to AI Upskill. Firstly, let's look on what we are creating today.
Hey Josh, my husband won't be home tonight. He's on a business trip. You know what that means.
What? Why are you texting me this?
Wrong person. Forget I said anything.
Wait a minute, who is Josh?
None of your business. Just work stuff. Relax.
I know what I saw. Don't lie.
Please don't tell your father. I can do anything you want. Don't be so innocent. I know you want this. Don't you want to feel desire? Just us tonight.
Okay, fine. Don't tell my father. This stays between us.
Sure, baby.
First, we will create conversation between two people for our video, which is the script. To create that, we are going to use ChatGPT. I have created a prompt to generate the script, which will be in the description of this video. I'm instructing ChatGPT to create an intense conversation between boyfriend and girlfriend and to keep the conversation simple and short. You can change the prompt as per your needs by adding new dialogues and new things to this conversation. This script is later used by an AI tool to create the video. As you can see, ChatGPT generates the full story. Alright, our story is ready. You can download background videos, generate voiceovers, and then edit them with a video editor. But honestly, it's a waste of time as an AI tool can create the same following video in minutes and within a few clicks. Introducing VSub, an AI-powered video generator tool. It can generate captions to your video, convert Reddit post to video, and more in just a few minutes. From the description of this video, open the link of this tool and create your account with Google or an email. After creating an account successfully, your dashboard will look like this. Click on fake text to start creating the video. Then choose any of the template you like. I'm going with this one. Scroll down and click on use sample data to get started. Now remove the existing message and paste your dialogues which we generated from ChatGPT. Do this until your whole script is covered. If you want to add some more dialogue, then click on the add right or add left button from here. Add right for the husband's text and add left for the wife's text. Another important setting in the conversation is that if you want to emphasize any text, then turn on the emphasize option from here. So now our script is ready. Lastly, come to the settings tab. Here we will set the voiceover for both characters. Currently, 11 Labs voice is not available for free users. You can buy subscription to get access. But if you want it for free, no problem, we can use Amazon Polly or OpenAI voice actors. After selecting the voice actors, we need to give a name to the second character. It means who will receive the text. In my case, it will be the wife's character. After entering the name, you can add a profile picture. And done, hit the continue button. Now VSub will finalize the video. Let's fast forward this part. Here our video is ready. Now to make the video more interesting, you can add sound effects on every conversation. Just select them when needed. For example, I am adding the message send sound effects at the first line of conversation. Okay, now, if you want to change the background video clip, come to the video tab. From here you will find the stock free video library. You can even upload your own video. This time I will use a video clip from the library, but I will suggest using your own video clip. Alright, now if you want to add a background music on your video, come to the music tab. From here you will find the stock free audio library. You can even upload your own audio. We are all set. To download the video, simply click on the download button from the top. VSub will finalize your video with the changes you made. Let's fast forward this part. Again, click on the download button and done. Our video is ready. Here's a preview of it.
Hey, we need to talk.
What's up? Is everything okay?
I know about you and Mark.
What do you mean?
Don't play dumb. I saw the texts.
Babe, it's not what you think.
Then what is it? You were with him last night.
We just talked, I swear.
At his place? All night? Do you think I'm stupid?
I messed up. I'm so sorry.
Sorry won't fix this. How could you?
I didn't mean to hurt you. Please, let's talk about this.
You guys have noticed a small watermark in your video which looks odd. No problem, I'm here to solve this problem too. Just search Beecut in Google and click on Online Watermark Remover. Then select your video from your device files and wait until it's uploaded. Once it's done, drag the blue box to the watermark and resize it and click on Erase. Wait for its processing. When completed, click Download File to download it. And done, our final video is ready to get uploaded in YouTube Shorts or TikTok platform. Before you skip the video, I have a small tip for you all, but before that, I just noticed 99% of you guys haven't subscribed my channel, so please give this video a like and subscribe for more such videos. The tip is that you can attach affiliate products links in the description of the video to start earning money early. See how we created a viral fake conversation video in a short period of time. It's a new and great niche to start, and you guys can earn dollars as it contains a great potential to go viral. If you love this video, please give it a like and subscribe to AI Upskill channel for more such AI related content in the upcoming days.